Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we have an incredible, true masterpiece of engineering, the MOVA Z60. Just when we thought, what else could possibly edit a robot vacuum? MOVA arrives to break all the rules, so let's open this massive box together. Inside, we are greeted by the main station, the robot itself, and a rich set of side accessories. The moment you pick up the components, the high build quality is immediately apparent. Everything is beautifully packaged and the parts are surprisingly compact. Designed not to take up unnecessary space in your home, the box is also include warranty card, installation manual, information labels, and very comprehensive complete guidebook. Setting up the product is incredibly simple. All you need to do is connect the power cable from the box to power station. Now let's look at the device itself. When we peel off the protective film, the harmony of the piano black finish and the metallic details is truly eye-catching. MOVA hasn't just designed a cleaning tool, they create a stylish object that looks like a piece of furniture in your home. Let's start by removing the protective film from the front lens. If you're wondering why is this lens so important, it's because MOVA provides us with the AI Smart Sight technology through these lenses. I will be talking more about this feature later in the video. The device comes with many premium features, an extendable brush system, the engineering marvel dual roller feature, an inflatable elevating wheel system, and the rotating mobs to back now. Let's clear the other accessories in the box. It comes with 2 spare bristle brushes and 2 different scent solutions, one for pets and one for standard home use. Additionally, 3 spare rotating mobs, a pair of spare main rollers, and 3 spare filters are included. Having all these spare parts in the box is fantastic detail. It offers a long-term usage experience without needing to buy extra parts. They also included 3 dust bags for the power station. Even looking at the structure of the small brushes, you can see the quality. Let's take a closer look at the main brushes. Looking at the bottom of the device, we see one of the biggest features that set MOVA Z60 apart from its competitors, the Ultra Roller Duo Brush. The biggest problem with the standard robot vacuums is hair and fur tangling. The MOVA has solved this at its root with a dual system that rotates in opposite directions and is self-cleaning. These main brushes maintain full contact with the floor, suctioning even microscopic dust like a vacuum. The structure is optimized both to scrub stains on the hard floor and to agitate deep dirt in the carpets. As for the mop part, the pads come out of their slots very easily. They pop out the moment you press the press button, making the replacement a breeze. The mop pads feel very high quality and are clearly built to last. When you want to put them back, you can easily slide the mechanism up and down and snap it to place at the push button position very easily. Now let's move on to the real world usage test. Plus, thanks to the carpet detection sensor, it raises the mop by 12 mm the moment it hits the carpet, completely preventing your carpets from getting wet. This way, no surface, edge or corner is left uncleaned. On the mopping side, the Hydro Force technology is a total game changer. The mop don't just rotate, they apply significant downward pressure with the 12 different water spray nozzles. The floor always stays at the ideal dampness, from dried mud to kitchen grease. The Z60 leaves a spotless surface in a single pass. The MOVA has also addressed the chronic edge cleaning issue of the robot vacuums. The Z60 detects an edge and extends its right side mop outward to reach corners that the machine normally couldn't. And also you can remove the water tank manually, as seen in the video, or let the power station handle the filling and the emptying automatically. The clean and the dirty water tanks in the station are color coded, white for clean, black for dirty, and very easy to distinguish. The build quality is excellent, designed to be completely leak-proof. There is even a filter in the clean water tank to protect the machine's internal parts. The station doesn't just fill water, it empties the dustbin, washes the mops with hot water and dries them with the hot air to prevent bacteria and odors. You barely have to touch it for days. Now let's fill the water tank together. We place the filled tank back, close the lid and wait for the machine to automatically draw the water into its internal reservoir. After cleaning, the machine automatically drains the dirty water into the waste tank. As you can see, the dirty water tank is already full. Now let's look at the solutions, tanks and used during mopping. When we remove the module from the station, we see two easy ways to open lids. It's clearly labeled which solution goes where. As I mentioned at the beginning of the video, we pour the specialized pet odor neutralizer into one and standard daily cleaner into other. This dual solution system ensures all stains and odors are removed effectively. When we lift the top cover of the machine, the dustbin greets us. We can remove it by two very simple movements. Inside, you will find the filter. Remember, we have 3 sprays included in the box. You can empty the bin manually if you wish, but there is no need as the machine automatically empties itself at the station after every session. Through this port, this device both collects dust during the cleaning, discharge it back into the station. Now let's put the bin back. Remove the protective films and start the test. Thanks to the magnetic structure, the cover snapped right into place. As you can see on the screen, the machine suctions up all the dust without leaving any residue. The suction power is so high, no dust stand a chance. Another great feature is the extendable side brush. The machine is designed to extend the brush reach dust trapped in corners and edge. Thanks to its side lens, it recognizes it reaches a corner and activates this mechanism, achieving a deep clean that standard robots simply can't match. Now let's talk about the engineering marvel, AI Smart Sight. When the device enters a dark area, it automatically turns on its LED lights to improve object recognition. The side lens acts as a main sensor for both extensible brushes and the mop extensions. Additionally, thanks to physical piston mechanism on the front, the machine doesn't just rely on digital data, it also senses obstacles physically. This means even if the lenses are obscured, the device can still protect itself and your furniture. As seen on the screen, it first detects digitally, confirms with the physical pistons, and immediately changes direction without any impact. Finally, the Stepmaster 2.0 system. High thresholds, the enemy of the robot vacuums, are thing of a past for MOVA Z60. Watch how it climbs that high area in the video. The wheel structure and the body lift mechanism allow it to overcome obstacle up to 8 cm high. This isn't just a climbing feature, it means the device completes its task without getting stuck or needing your help. Everything is easy to control via the MOVA Home app. Mapping is completed in seconds and the AI can identify obstacles like cables on the floor instantly. In conclusion, the MOVA Z60 is not just a vacuum cleaner, it's a high-end tech package for your home. If you want the best and don't want to worry about a thing, this is exactly what you're looking for. If you have more questions, let's meet in the video comments. Check the link in the description for the product. See you in the next tech video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.